Another question that I'm asked pretty often when it comes to YouTube automation is how do I actually find content ideas? So in this video, I'm going to show you 5 different ways that you can find content ideas relatively quickly so that you can make more money with your YouTube automation. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I like to help you make money online with internet marketing, YouTube automation, and affiliate marketing. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Like I said, I get a ton of questions on my YouTube channel. People also send me messages on Instagram as well as in Facebook all about finding content ideas. They don't know where to look. They don't know actually what is the best content to create. And I'm going to answer those questions for you. So the first way is right here on my screen with Google Trends. And with Google Trends, it's trends.google.com. And you simply just go here and you type in your niche. For example, if we wanted to look at, let's do make money online. And there's a few ways to use Google Trends. We'll talk about a few of those ways so that you can find trending topics. So make money online. And what we're looking for is we're looking for things that are happening now, that are happening in real time. So we're going to change this from the past 12 months to maybe the past 30 days. And we're going to see that we're going to find tons of questions and search queries related to making money online. So like how to make money online with that site here, TaskRabbit, take surveys for money, how to make a lot of money in GTA 5, ways to earn money online. So these are getting a ton of searches over the last 30 days. And this is just one way to use Google Trends. So we look at this, how to make quick money, Amazon Mechanical Turk, surveys for money. You can create this type of content, or you can use this to help you get ideas which you can apply to in later steps, which I'll cover in just a moment. But this is just one way to use Google Trends. Now, another way that you can use Google Trends is to take a look at the trending searches. Now, if we look here, there's 2 types of trending searches. There's the daily search trends and there's the real-time search trends. So this is what's happening or what's popular for the given day. If you are in the sports niche, you could create content about soccer. So that could be a great opportunity. Other things that are going on around the world. And the cool thing is you can actually change some of the metrics. But if we scroll down, iPhone update, that's been popular over the last 24 or 48 hours. You can see there is tons of content for you to create. But this is just another way to use Google Trends. You can also use Google Trends for real-time searches. These are things that are important right now. And so if you are creating content daily, if you're looking for fast traffic, you could create YouTube automation videos here. You'd have to be in constant contact with your team. And I recommend using a website called onlinejobs.ph. I'll leave a link down in the description for it. But you can see here that these are things that are important right now. And you, again, can change this based on categories. So we could change this to business if we wanted to. If we are in like the make money online space, you can see that there are different opportunities depending on your niche. And so you can actually take advantage of Google Trends in at least 3 different ways. That is number 1. A second way is actually with Google News. And you can use Google News in kind of the same way that you use Google Trends. Up here, we can type in make money online. Now with these ideas, do not just rip off the content creator, okay? You want to make sure that you are putting these into your own words. But if we look at this, 11 best skills to learn to make money online. How to make money online with personal brand. I can't believe I make money online. Earn extra cash with these 11 lucrative side hustles, says millionaire. So you could take this, and this is done by CNBC. Also give them credit. Say, hey, look, I found this article on CNBC. Link to the article so that they can check it out for themselves. But you can see that these are things that have been released recently. And so these are going to be new ideas. These are going to be potentially untapped ideas and almost unlimited ideas. So this is another great way to find content ideas for your YouTube automation channel. That is the second way. Really, I think it's like the 4th or 5th way. But after using Google News, we can use simply YouTube videos. Now, what you're going to do here is you are going to go find YouTubers in your space. For example, we can type in something like make money online like this, hit enter, and you are going to look at the YouTubers who are in your space. And what we're going to do here is who is the best. We're just going to, let's find a large channel here. Let's look at Incognito Money, for example. We're going to open this up. And this is what most people do is they'll just go and take content ideas from other YouTubers and basically just repurpose it as their own. But what you're going to do is you're going to open up the YouTube channel that you want to model. For example, we'll do Wholesaleted as well. We'll open that up. and we can come back over here to incognito money. And once that pops up, I'm going to show you the next few things that you need to do. We're going to click on videos here, just like this. And then after videos, we have to make one other change, and we're going to start looking for the best content idea. So we're going to sort by most popular, and then eventually you can see you want to find videos that have been uploaded in the last 6 to 12 months. Okay. We sort by most popular. You can see get paid $2.40 every 2 minutes. You could potentially use that as a content idea. Get paid 24 cents every 60 seconds. These are all content ideas that you could potentially use if you are in the same niche and you want to model this. You want to try and find things that are as recent as possible. Like this one, 234,000 views in the last 3 months. Get paid $28.18 every 10 minutes. You'd want to model that one because we know that it's working within the last 3 months. Now, believe it or not, this is stuff that people are paying good money for. These tips that I'm providing are people are paying very good money for this. So if we go over to Wholesaleted, we can also do the same thing. We're going to click on videos once again. She has,
hey everyone, so today I thought I would share with you the story.
She has almost 1 million subscribers. So you know her content is really good. But while that's working, let's look at another. Oh, let's see. We'll switch to most popular. And once again, we're looking for videos that have been created more recently. The more recent, the better. So for this one, we'd scroll down a little bit. Maybe 1 year ago, start a t-shirt business for free. That could be a good one. But it looks like a lot of her videos, you'd have to scroll down a little bit, but you can see 1 year ago, 100 websites and apps to make money for free. So you could do maybe 101, or you could do 500, whatever it is. I actually might try this. I might try and do a video that says like 500 websites and apps to make money online for free. That would be really interesting to come up with that kind of content idea. So if we look, you want to look for ones that are within the last 6 months to a year. Now, even though this says that it's a year, it could be from 2020. And it's just that it hasn't hit the 2-year mark. So it's somewhere between 1.5 and 2 years. Make sure that you actually click on this video and take a look and the actual date it was uploaded. But that is another opportunity as well. Another thing you can do is you can jump on Twitter and look for trending topics there, because most likely if it is trending on Twitter, it's also going to be important on other platforms as well. For example, if we come here and we look at Explore like this, you're going to see all sorts of things that are trending. Today, for example, is the NFL opening day. And so you could create content on the NFL opening day, like the 20 weirdest things that happened on opening day, or 20 things you didn't know about the NFL. It's going to get a lot of views because today's the NFL opening day and a lot of people are going to be searching for it. A lot of people are going to not work at all today. They're going to sit at work, but they're not going to do any work because they're thinking about football and the NFL. And the final place that you could go to is simply with Reddit. Now with Reddit, you're going to find a subreddit that is within your niche. For example, let's do relationships for this example. And then within relationships, I'm going to go to communities. Now my Reddit, for whatever reason, doesn't ever render correctly. But if we go to relationships, and then we can actually sort by within the last week or so that are getting a ton of views. So right now we can do top and then sort by, let's sort by the last week. And this is how people create those Reddit videos, by the way. But we could actually, if your niche is relationships, we could look at this, and this could actually give us some content ideas for YouTube automation. You simply would pass this off. So just to recap real quick, we've got Google Trends, we've got Google News. You can piggyback off of other YouTubers' success. We can use Twitter, and we can also use Reddit. Now that you know where to find content ideas, there's still a lot left to be known and understand about YouTube automation. To learn more about YouTube automation, make sure you watch this video next so that you can learn everything that you need to know.